Hi, do you know which type of meditation helps you to develop your concentration power? Do you know which meditation helps you to develop a stronger memory and mind power? Do you know which meditation helps you to stay focused for a longer duration of time when you're studying? Do you know which meditation helps you to keep yourself calm and relaxed throughout your study time? Yes, I'm going to reveal you that secret, the technique of meditation, which is simple and easy to follow anytime, wherever you are. And if you follow this meditation technique, you'll be able to learn anything 2 to 10 times faster, and you'll be able to remember anything and everything. But you have to make it a daily habit of practicing this beautiful, excellent scientific meditation technique. Hi, I'm Rakesh Mohan, memory and study skill expert from Max Academy, Mysore. And in this video, I'm going to reveal you a beautiful meditation technique called Alpha Meditation Technique. If you want to get the benefit of this, please stay till the end of the video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends also if you like this. So, the most important thing while studying is concentration power. If your mind is attentive and focused, you'll be able to understand better, you'll be able to remember better and everything, whatever you have studied. See, if you're sitting in a classroom and you're listening to a class lecture, your mind should be totally focused. You should be able to understand and grasp 2 to 10 times faster. Then only you'll be able to learn faster, save your time, and you'll get time for extracurricular activities. So this alpha mind meditation, or simply alpha meditation, is a simple technique which can be practiced only for 1 minute. 1 minute before sitting for studies, 1 minute before taking a test, 1 minute before writing your exam, or whenever you want to do it, you can do it. The beauty of this technique is our brain has 4 states of mind: alpha, beta, theta, and delta. Beta state of mind means your body and mind are completely alert, and you have to keep this state of mind when you're doing physical activities like riding a bike or a car, or playing sports, or walking in a busy traffic. And beta state is suitable for only doing physical work. Theta state is where your body and mind both are completely relaxed, and this should be used only for relaxation. If you're watching a movie, you're spending time with your friends, you're walking slowly, or you're reading a newspaper or a novel, you're relaxing yourself. And theta state is not suitable for studying or learning. So keeping your brain and body relaxed or keeping your mind or body alert is not suitable for learning. The third one is delta state. Delta state means a deep sleep state. When you're sleeping in deep sleep, your brain goes to delta state. So forget these 3 states now. I'll come to a state called alpha state of mind. What is alpha state? Your brain releases certain waves when you go to alpha state. And this natural alpha state is available when you get up early in the morning. Neither you're active, neither you're sleepy. Your body is completely relaxed. Your mind is getting alert and alert. You know what's happening around you, but your body will be still relaxed. And night, just before going to sleep, your body will be tired and relaxed, and your mind will be alert what's happening around you. So this is a natural alpha state of mind. You can use this technique before doing any work, before sitting for studying in your classroom, before sitting for listening to class lecture, before writing your exam. If you make it a habit, you can see yourself a change after 1 week. Don't expect to get the result in just 1 or 2 or 3 days of doing this technique. Do this daily, whenever you want it. There is no limit, but 1 round is only 1 minute. Okay, if you just do it for 1 minute, your brain and body goes to alpha state. So what is alpha state? Body will be completely relaxed and your mind will be completely alert. This is relaxed alertness state of the mind, what we call optimum state, or the right state for learning. Scientists have proved that when a student learns or studies in the alpha state, They learn their subjects 2 to 10 times faster. Their focus and concentration will be 100%. They'll remember much better than in alert or relaxed state. So how to practice this alpha state of mind? Very simple. You have to give your brain more and more energy. The simple exercise, initially you need to practice with your fingers. We call it as nostril breathing. Initially you have to practice with fingers. As you get used to the technique, you don't have to use your finger. You can do it naturally. Nobody will come to know that you are doing actually the meditation. Okay. First, let us start the steps. First, close your right nostril and you have to inhale from your left nostril for 3 seconds. Hold the breath for 3 seconds in your brain and release from your mouth for 3 seconds. 3 seconds inhaling, 3 seconds holding, 3 seconds exhaling from your mouth. So 9 seconds from one nostril, and then alternative. Close your left nostril, inhale for 3 seconds, hold it for 3 seconds, and release for 3 seconds. So 18 seconds. So you're doing it for 3 times in a minute. Okay, I'll show you. Just observe. You have to take a deep inhalation. Three rounds I have done. Excellent. I'm feeling, my brain is feeling very heavy. I'm alert, energetic. I'm feeling very calm and relaxed. My body has completely relaxed. I've been doing this from the last 30 years, since my student days. Before doing work, or even before doing any mental work, I do this. Now, as you get used to this technique, you don't have to use your finger. You can do it naturally by inhaling from one nostril. So what I did, one round required 18 seconds. So 3 rounds if you do it. Even if you want to do it for more time, say 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can do it your wish. But minimum, only 1 minute, 1 round. That 1 round itself will keep your mind relaxed. Then sit for studying. Make it a habit. You will not get the effect of this alpha meditation in just 1 or 2 days. At least to see the difference for yourself, you need 7 days time. Because this is a new technique of meditation you have learned, and any technique to work, it requires minimum 7 days. Not only for you, even for me, it took me 7 days. So practice this alpha meditation and see the difference. You'll never complain of having a concentration problem. Make it a habit. But you should do this in a place where you have fresh air. You should have a fresh air. It can be open balcony, or even if your room is very, very well ventilated, you can do it in your room or study room also. But if you like this video, thank you very much. And please do share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll come up with more and more videos for you. Thank you.